What you're going to see in the next couple of minutes is how to use a Prius Prime 120 volt charger to work at 240 volts. This is quite impressive and saves you a lot of money. So the inside components are completely compatible at 240 volts. Let's get to the installation. All right, I'm in the process of trying to upgrade my breaker panel so I actually can have 240 volt charging with my Prius Prime. I'm going to be sticking in a 40 amp or 20 amp. It's actually 20 amp, but it's actually two 20s in parallel. So it's going to actually equal out to 40 amps, so 20 amps per leg. All right, and we're going to stick that here, actually. I'm going to stick that right here, but we got to continue moving this up. And I found some extra space in my panel, and that's what I'm in the middle of doing right now. So that's what we're going to finish up. All right, so I am working on getting I finally mounted the outlet, which is right here. All right, so I got that there. This is the converter NEMA 1030 on this end here. Okay, you can see the connector, and a NEMA 520. I believe, yes, NEMA 520. I will have a link in the description below to get this. So this converts it. In other words, I put inside here the wire protector so it doesn't slice. So this is going to go in like so, okay? And then we're going to, so I'm peeling this off now. I already cut it. Come on, baby. There we go. We got it all off. I got the installation off. And so there is the bus, the neutral and ground bus is over here. That's why I needed this to be long enough. We got the neutral or the ground bus wire here. So let's get that untangled. So we got neutral and ground, and then the black and the red, which we'll have to cut and make it short enough so it actually goes right where we need it to go. So technically I should have done this after the fact. I stuck it through, but I'm doing that. We got to do this real careful now because I'm doing this ass backwards. I'm sure there'll be people out there, electricians, going, "You're doing it wrong." So we're going to do this really careful here and run this through. Here we go. Gonna bend this down. So now we got the wires in the box, and then we're gonna crank these screws down immediately, right here, so it protects the wire for going through the panel. So I'm using the front camera of my Note 9 to record this video, so I apologize. So take the paper off, and this is gonna go up here into one of this bus here. So let's just move some of this wire out of the way so I can get to it. And we're going to unscrew a wire up top here and get that baby in there. All right, so here's the 20 amp breaker. Red wire hot, black wire hot, white wire neutral goes to the bus, ground wire goes to the bus. Okay, and this goes down through what you saw before and around to the NEMA 1030, which converts to the NEMA 520, which connects to the 120 volt 12 amp charger. Okay, but it actually runs at 240 volts with no problem. And now we're going to check power at the outlet. So go to ground, and then one leg is 120 or close to it, 119.3 ground, and then hot. Then we go to the ground and then the other hot, which I'm checking. Yeah, 122. So we have a little higher on the other end. So combined together, the two of them, we have 240 volts. So this is working. Yay! So regardless of what this says, you could do 240 volts with this bad boy. So with a 240 volt charger at 12 amps, we're able to achieve a charging rate of 2 hours and 30 minutes. If this was a maximum 16 amp charger, we can do it in 2 hours and 10 minutes. This is pretty impressive, keeping the same hardware that you have. So guys, if you like this video and you think it deserves a thumbs up, please give me a thumbs up. I want to thank Prius Chat for giving this information out. I just made a video to show how it's done. It's pretty amazing how this can, that the hardware that comes from Toyota can work at 240 volts, just it's only at 12 amps. It's a home run. Allows you to save some money. And Rob43, thanks a lot for all your help. Take care, and we'll see you next time.